Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose Additional Settings. Over here, click on One-Handed Mode section and click on this switcher in order to enable it. Then follow all of those instructions in order to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can go back by clicking over here or swiping up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!